We are the Lockmore family, so much love it's clear to see. We are the Lockmore family, so come with us, what will we see? The Lockmore family.
Oh! Yeah. Good talk. Say hi, everyone. It's lunchtime. But today is a huge day in the Lockmore family household because Parker's about to get his very first board game. We're having some broccoli and some ham. However, his first board game is coming from McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Of course, he's not eating McDonald's, but the toys this year are Hasbro games. And they're actually really super cute. I think it's really funny because you can literally slap a face on anything and all of a sudden it makes it perfect and we want it. But we have an obsession with board games and it's really cool that now he's gonna get to play with one as well. So you wanna see what you have? Let's open it up. Let's open it up. What's in here? Oh, we've got 2 games for you. I know you're gonna want the box. The first game is Monopoly! We might have to get all of the games of these because they're super cute looking through the thing, but McDonald's is being very strict in this area on how they release them. They are releasing them in number order. So Monopoly is number 2. This other one is number 1. Let's see what we got. Are you ready to play? This is really cool because we have so many Monopoly games. I will show you all of our Monopoly collection afterwards. But it comes with rules. This one he probably won't get to keep because I think it has little pieces. But they are movable games. They're like toys and games. Look how cute he is. Do you love him? Yeah, Monopoly is Dada's favorite. Yeah. Isn't he cute? Can we show everyone? Say, look. He's got a little face. He is super cute. What do you think? Who's that? Yeah. That's Monopoly. That's your very first Monopoly. Baby's first Monopoly. Oh, you give kisses? While you do that, let's open number 1. So number 1, as you can see the one in the corner over there, is Hungry Hippos. Now this game you could definitely play, Parker, because it is set for, it says 2 to 4, but there's small buttons and nothing comes out of it. But again, with a cute little face, movable arms. Whoa! These are absolutely adorable. I am loving it. Parker, look how cute. The cool thing with this one is if you flip her over, it's a Hungry Hippos game. And all you do is push the little buttons and they go to eat them. So let's see, Parker, do you want to play a game? Let's see if you could do it. Give me a Monopoly. Look at this. Go. Eat. Play against me. You be orange. Oh, you want to be green? Shake it. That's a good one, isn't it? Hungry hippos. Hungry hippos. These are such a win, McDonald's. Good job, Hasbro. We're gonna teach you how to play that later. But let's open up Monopoly because he opens up like this and he has legitimately a tiny little Monopoly game. That is so cute with the little board pieces and everything. And he's got a little case, so technically you could play with this part of him if you want, Parker. But I think you like the hippos the best. These are so fun. Our goal was to get the Monopoly one, but we might wind up getting all of them now because if you haven't realized, we like to collect everything. But there are little game pieces when it comes to this. There is a little dice that you make yourself. And literally, oh, these are adorable, tiny little property cards so that you could play a miniature version of Monopoly. This is probably gonna be the quickest game that you ever play, but this is super cute. So we're gonna finish lunchtime and then I'm gonna show you what our monopolies in our house are because we do have a Monopoly obsession and hopefully as the weeks go on, we'll get more and more of these Hasbro games. So great job, McDonald's and Hasbro. We love them. What do you think? Do thumbs up. Thumbs up. Push the little hippo. Yum, yum, yum. Good job, you did it! You did it! Yay! Yay! I just looked it up and it looks like we need Connect 4, Battleship, Life, Operation, and Twister. And now that we've gotten Monopoly, I didn't think we were gonna collect them, but I think I'm gonna have to. They're there till February 8th, so I'm assuming it's one every week, but here we go. We'll find them. So a view of our Monopoly games, we actually have Monopoly collectible Pathwater that is in the way of them, but we have all sorts of things. We have Mrs. Monopoly, Toy Story Monopoly, Monopoly for Millennials, Peanuts, Whoville, Monopoly Speed Edition. We have this one that is Cheaters Edition. We have the Here and Now Edition, Smokey's-opoly. This one is all about Chris and I. We have a Pizza Edition over here. We have Disney Monopoly, LOL Dolls, Surprise Monopoly, Socialism Monopoly, which is random. We haven't played it yet. Monopoly Bid, and now we have the miniature Monopoly as well. So clearly we love Monopolies, but the good thing is they all have different rules, and a lot of these are really short games now. Oh, and then we also have this one, Monopoly Deal. Huh. We love board games in this house. What do you think of that guy? He's so cute. Hungry, hungry hippos. Hungry, hungry hippos. See? So cute. We could play him on the go. Shake it. Get the balls out. Oh, good job. We are working on our motor skills, and this is perfect because it has the pull instead of just the push of the button. And they're delicious. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. We're loving it. Yeah.
The Lockmore family.
Whoa, what is that? What is that?